What's going on, you guys? It's Bre'Aunna and welcome back to the channel. I'm very excited today because we are going to be doing an unboxing, more like an unpackaging, because it's not a box, it's a package, you know. Anyway, we're going to be unpackaging one of my gifts that I will be giving away in my Black Friday, Cyber Monday weekend blowout sale for my business. So I'm not going to do too much yada and let's go ahead and get right into it. So before we get into the actual unpackaging, I did want to note that this past week I uploaded a vlog and it's a little lengthy. It's about 16, almost 17 minutes, but it's definitely worth the watch. It talks a little bit about my Black Friday sale and my business, of course, and just the preparation for Black Friday and the holiday season. Also a day in the life. So I go to church and also a trip to the store with my family, and it was a full blown out Sunday. So definitely go check it out, y'all. I'll leave the link down below, but let's go ahead and hop into the unpackaging finally. Unpackaging. Sorry, I'm pretty sure I slurred that, but let's get it. So here I have one of my gifts that I received from Amazon. I haven't opened it. I received it 2 days ago, but I told myself that I would not open it until I was ready to film my unpackaging video. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it now. And these are my bonnets, which are going to be gifts, like I mentioned, for my orders for Black Friday. So when you order with me, you will receive a bonnet and a rat tail comb, and I talk a little bit about that on again my vlog, my previous video, as well as on my business page, my story, and it's also in my highlights, I believe. So really excited about that. So I only ordered 4 of them. I don't know how many sales I'm gonna make during my whole Black Friday Cyber Monday weekend, so I just wanted to do the minimal because I didn't want to order like 10 of them and then just have a bunch left over. These are supposed to be like jumbo sized, but I will be the judge of that because I have a jumbo sized black bonnet that I wear. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that down, and that literally was no help, semi help, but anyway. Okay, let's see what we're working with here. Okay, this is jumbo-ish. Actually, no, that is pretty jumbo. And the color is hot pink. Is it not cute? Is it not cute? Like, come on now, come on. Okay, so let me explain to y'all what's going on here. My Black Friday Cyber Monday sale, when you purchased a sealant oil from my business on one of the 3 consecutive days that we have free shipping or whatever we're offering that day, for the season, you receive 2 free gifts. So you receive a pink rat tail comb along with one of these satin bonnets, and you can get this for free as well as my rat tail combs, and they're also pink as well. So super dope. Let me go ahead and insert a clip right there. It's probably actually a boomerang from when I was talking about it on my Instagram page. But yeah, this is, the color is very much giving. The color is exactly what it said it would be. I love how stretchy it is. I'm not going to put it on my hair because I have oil on my hair, and these aren't for me to use. These aren't for me to have. These are for my customers, so I definitely don't want to put it on. But yeah, it's giving very much. Let me show you guys what the inside looked like. So basically you would put this around your head, and then you have room to tie this as tight or as loosely as you want once you have all of your hair in here. I genuinely just love it. I feel like it is very jumbo. It's pretty much the same size as my black one that I ordered off of Amazon for myself a while back. And it's just very much giving. Like, I'm very happy with this. I know my customers are literally going to go crazy over this bonnet. So yeah, all of my customers, will receive one of these for free when they place an order with me during my Black Friday Cyber Monday sale. Again, I will have the link to my Instagram page, which will talk about details and all about free gifts and free shipping and this and that and everything seasonal wise. But yeah, I don't really have anything else to show you guys. I just really wanted to unbox this on camera and kind of show y'all what I'm working with. So if you want to get one of these for free, make sure to go check out my business page at Heyyy for you. And, you know, make a purchase with your girl during the Black Friday Cyber Monday weekend sale that we'll be having. Very flattered with how this looks, how it feels, and just how it came out overall. I cannot wait to start marketing, and I most definitely cannot wait to show my customers what the bonnets actually look like. I was only able to show them the rat tail combs when I was explaining it, because I didn't open the bonnets yet, because I obviously hadn't made my video yet, so I didn't just want to open it and show them, and you know, it wouldn't have been an unpackaging or an unboxing video if the package was already open, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, this is what they look like. I honestly, my theme and my color scheme for my business is like a tealish blue and mixed with a pink. So I thought the hot pink would be super cute, and yeah, so that's what I went with. And if you guys have any questions, please feel free to leave some comments down below. I'll make sure to answer them for y'all. And again, make sure you go check out all the links, and of course go check out my website, go check out my business page, and go check out my personal page as well. I want to give a huge shout out to everybody watching this video right now. Our channel is definitely growing. Like, we're becoming a family, y'all. Like, the numbers are going up slowly but surely, but they're still going up, you know what I'm saying? If you're not a part of the family here on YouTube, make sure to go hit that subscribe button. Tap the bell so you know when your girl uploads a new video. And I hope to catch you guys in my next video, or I hope to catch you on my business page or my personal page. Again, make sure you go check the links down below, all that goodness, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, y'all.